Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see what process technology was used to make your processor. In this case, I am using a 8th Gen Core i5 processor and it uses 14 nanometer. But how can you tell that? What if you're using 10th Gen or 11th Gen? What process node are you actually using or they have used on your processor? And that could be useful for some people, and I'm going to show you how to see that today. Now you have to have an app called 864 Extreme version on desktop. Now you can have other versions. I'm pretty sure they can work too. But I have this one. And after you have installed one of these apps, you have to open the app. After opening the app, you have to go to motherboard, and then you can see the CPU section here. You have to click on here. Then you have to scroll down a little bit, and you can see under CPU physical information we have process technology. So we can see it is built on 40 nanometers since it's Asian, and I'm pretty sure there were some 10 nanometers Asian products, but they didn't really come out of China. And as far as I'm sure, you can definitely see the 10 nanometer products on the tension and moving forward. So that's you can see process technology on your CPU in Windows 10. Thank you everyone for watching this video.